Hello, welcome to Live at Home with Kim. Today I'm going to show you the pre-baby freezer meals that I have prepared for the next coming weeks when our baby is here. I prepared about 70 or more meals when I was 38 to 39 weeks pregnant, and let me tell you, it is not the easiest thing to do because of my huge belly bump in the way, but I could say that it is totally worth it since we are now enjoying home cooked microwavable meals now that I'm a few days postpartum. I started by printing my menu as well as ingredients that I need to buy from the grocery. Since I am cooking in bulk, I decided to get majority of our ingredients from Costco since it's cheaper. So I'm meal prepping adobo, and hopefully that will last for about 8 meals for us. So after I prep that, I'm just gonna put them in ziplock bags and put them in the freezer. Once I have all the ingredients together, I pre-chopped a ton of onions and garlic because I'm going to use that for several meals, as well as these bell peppers that I'm going to use for the pasta sauce, stir-fry vegetables, and breakfast burrito. For the stir-fried vegetables, initially I just heat the wok pan, added a bit of water and the broccoli, let it cook for about 5 minutes, and then I just added pre-chopped carrots as well as the bell pepper, onions, and I just season it with salt and pepper. You can add oyster sauce or soy sauce if you like, but for me, I added just a few drops of oyster sauce and soy sauce because I just wanted more taste to the stir-fried vegetables. Before putting them in Ziploc bags, make sure you just add the date as well as a label, and also make sure that the meals or the food is at room temperature before adding them into the Ziploc bags. The next meal that I made is called Guinea Lean. It's a Filipino dish. First, I sauteed the onions and garlic, and then I added the pork to make it brown, and then I added the bell pepper. Let them cook all the way through, and then adding the tomato sauce and tomato paste, as well as water or chicken broth. And then as you let it boil, you can now add the potatoes, carrots, and green peas. Let the flavors get to know each other, and then you can add salt and pepper, and here you have Guinea Lean. Next is chicken teriyaki, but unfortunately I didn't take a video of the step-by-step process. So now I'm going to make this pasta sauce. So I just sauteed the vegetables, and then I'm going to add this table cream, the Nestle table cream, to my cooked onions and bell pepper. And then after that, I'm just going to let it mix all together before adding the Parmesan cheese. And then you can also add a bit of chicken broth just in case you want some kick to it or some taste to it. And you can also add some salt and pepper afterwards. Before putting the pasta sauce in Ziploc bags, make sure you have to cool them. So for me, I'm going to add these ice because it's also a part of the ingredient and it wouldn't really affect the taste of the pasta sauce, and I just continuously mix it all to release the heat so that it will cool faster before putting them in Ziploc bags just like this. As for the pasta itself, we're just going to cook it right before we eat. Next is a breakfast burrito, and I start off by frying this bacon, and after that I'm going to use that oil in order to fry this Italian sausage. After frying all that meat, I'm just going to set them aside, and then I'm going to make a lot of eggs. What I mean a lot is 12 pieces of eggs, and then I'm just going to scramble them all together before cooking them in one big pan. Once I organize all the ingredients on our table, now I'm going to assemble the breakfast burrito. So some of them have hash browns, some of them have cheese. Well, actually, all of them have cheese, definitely. And some of them have spinach, some have bell pepper. And then I'm just going to add the eggs as well as the bacon or the Italian sausage. So you can make the breakfast burrito however you like. Another thing is that I have to apologize for the way I am assembling the breakfast burrito because it's actually my first time making a burrito, and I know the way I folded this is not aesthetically pleasing, but you know, this will do. Lastly, I made these pre-packed smoothies that I can just add milk to them when I need it. Finally, here is a quick look of our freezer meals once baby girl is here to make sure that we don't keep on ordering takeout and we eat healthy. If you like this video, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are into pregnancy hauls, cooking and cleaning motivation, gardening, and all of that good stuff. And make sure you also click the bell icon down below so you will know that I upload every Tuesday and Thursday. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!